consuming this lemon drink to eliminate stools stuck in the colon and lose weight. We all dream of having a rich, healthy, and balanced diet to allow our bodies to function perfectly, which requires many sacrifices, including rigor. But with the various occupations of daily life, it sometimes happens that this is something impossible, to the point of being subject to constipation. In this video, we will present a recipe based on 2 essential ingredients capable of promoting digestion and completely freeing you from constipation. The benefits of the ingredients to prepare this anti-constipation recipe: it's very simple. You will need chia seeds and lemon as the main ingredients. A. Lemon. Lemon is a food source of fiber, essential components to fight against constipation. One study has successfully linked constipation to dietary fiber deficiency, showing how to increase the intake of fiber from your diet, which helps relieve the symptoms of constipation. According to the results of this study, you must consume an amount of 20 to 35 grams per day to be healthy. In addition, lemon stands out from other citrus fruits thanks to its acidity, which increases bile production and improves intestinal transit. This excellent detoxifier, therefore, promotes the elimination of waste and helps fight against bloating and constipation. B. Chia. Coming from Salvia hispanica, this mint-like plant, chia seeds are very popular in South America, their homeland. They are generally recognized as having a neutral taste, easily integrating the daily diet, but also their great usefulness in relieving constipation. Indeed, if you want to increase the dietary fiber content in your consumption, you will also need to consume more chia seeds. For example, consuming a tablespoon 15 milliliters of these seeds makes it possible to obtain 4 grams of dietary fiber, essential to get rid of constipation, bloating, and relieve bad digestion, as explained by Dr. Barbara Bolin. In addition, chia seeds can be used preventively because they have this reputation to reduce appetite with their effect appetite suppressant. This satiating virtue and its mucilaginous properties, that is to say its mild laxative effect, make these seeds foods to favor in your diet, especially in case of eating disorders. As you can see, chia seeds and lemon, in addition to being beneficial for the general health of the body, contain adequate ingredients which, combined, will allow you to relieve you simply and healthy digestive disorders. The anti-constipation recipe with lemon and chia seeds. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 bowl of water, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Instructions: start by putting the chia seeds in your glass of water for an hour to let them soften. Once this time has passed, remove them and mix them with the other ingredients until you get a homogeneous consistency. Usage tips: consume a tablespoon of this preparation every morning on an empty stomach to regain good intestinal transit. Warnings: lemon is contraindicated in cases of stomach ulcers, biliary and renal disorders, but also citrus allergies. Chia seeds are not recommended for people suffering from prostate disease, low blood pressure, or being on anticoagulant therapy. People allergic to sesame seeds or flax seeds should avoid consuming them. In general, follow the dosages and ask your doctor for advice before using a natural remedy.